In today's episode, I'm going back to the bathroom and the closet. So I'm almost finished. So if you're interested in seeing how it all turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Now, if you remember in the last video, I started on cleaning up this disaster area here in my bathroom where the rod fell in the closet, and I am trying to get the clothes up. Now, the other day, my goal was to empty the tub. Fool with you right now. Now, the other day, my goal was to get everything out of the bathtub. That was my goal the other day. But today's goal is to try to get this. It's another hamper here, a hamper and a basket. I want to get those emptied out today so I can start on redecorating this bathroom. Because I need to do a deep clean in this bathroom. And then some things I want to try to work on, of course, will be like this shower door. The bottom screw to take the glass out so you can clean the seal they messed it up, the previous owner, and I cannot for the life of me get it out. But I did, my dad told me about a tool that I could purchase that I could use to drill it out. So I bought the little piece. So I'm going to see if I have enough strength to drill this out. Now, I know some of you are saying, girl, you doing the most. Yeah, I am. I'm doing the most. I'm trying to do some things on my own and not have my husband have to pay someone to do it, because he's the type that will pay someone to do it rather than try to do it. He's not the DIY type. Now, a lot of these clothes you're going to see me pick up to hang up. You haven't seen me in them. My husband buys clothes for me. When he sees something that he likes, he buys it. And then a package will arrive here at the house. So I've been trying to get him to understand that that's not always the best bet. When you see something, check with me first before you order it to see if I like it. Because sometimes it's a miss and I don't want to hurt his feelings. It's a dress in there that he likes. I cannot stand that dress. I would never wear anything like that. Now, this sweatsuit, he ordered this. To me, it reminds me of the Hamburglar from McDonald's. The bottom of it is a solid color. He also ordered this one. So, And I think this has pants to it, I think. And that's another thing. I love him for trying. I really do. I really do. Don't get me wrong. He gets a lot of pretty things, but sometimes it's a miss. But this right here, I like this. This is so comfortable. This is the one with the words on the back. I did a video in this once, and it says, late but best dressed. I like this. This thing here is so comfortable, and it's easy to wear. And I like to put on things around the house that are easy, comfortable, breezy, because I'm not going anywhere. I'm at home, but he buys a lot of clothes to go out in, and we don't go out I don't go a lot of places like I used to. You know, like I used to go to work every day, and you needed those outfits to go to work and stuff in, you know. But I'm at home. So I'm not going to put on some of these things and, you know, wear them in the house. Yes, I hung 2 skirts on the same thing. This is something I wear around the house. So I don't want to hang that up. I do want to invest in some new hangers. So I'd have the, you know, like they have the black velvet ones and so forth. They have the black velvet, and then they have the, you know, the different color ones. I want to invest in that and buy me the hangers. Because when he goes to the dry cleaners with his work shirts and suits, well, of course, they send back wire hangers. So I have a ton of wire hangers in the closet. So I'm going to stop talking, and I'm going to get to work of getting the stuff here. There's a couple more things here that need to be hung up, and then we'll go from there.